Good morning, Bowtie. David here for Bowtie Life. We are hunting something unusual today, so please subscribe so you don't miss a thing. For all you people who have subscribed already, you've made Bowtie Life what it is today. I'm sitting here at a stop sign. I'm hunting for something for the garden that most people never get a chance to, and it doesn't get better than this, so I'm very excited. Let's see what we can get. Here we go. Hi, I'm Bowtie Dave. So here am I in my trailer. We've seen some ugly loads in this trailer. I think much uglier than this. If you guessed that I'm hunting seaweed, well, you guessed right. I already there's 4 loads there, plus another load in my wagon. And I am getting ready to start my new compost bin for the next year. Very excited. This is how I started my compost bin for last year. And so these things have lots of little berries on them, and those little berries, see, now people don't realize that this seagrass, it's very important, because when all those nutrients get washed out to sea, these things filter out those nutrients that they recognize as useful, store in these little berries, and then they wash back up for us to collect and stick in our garden. Not everyone can go hunt seaweed like this. I am very blessed to have a place where we can do this, but if you are in a place that you can go get seaweed every once in a while, you should do it. Waited all year for this, for today, because it doesn't happen often here. So I'm excited. So I'm a strong believer in diversity and biome, and diversity of just what we get in our compost. We're creating an actual ecological system within these piles with so many different levels of life, from the earthworms down to the insects, down to the individual cells, the bacteria and fungi and viruses and other things that make up what's in the soil. Now, like I said, did I say it in this video? Folks, I'm recording so many videos, I'm not sure what I've said where, but we're about to get rain right now, and it's dark clouds on the horizon back over here. We're about to get a day of rain. Been trying to get the trailer empty. You saw earlier in this video what the trailer looked like. And so what we have here, you'll see that first bin is almost half full of seaweed. And I'm going to put a piece of cardboard over that before I'm done here. Depends on how this rained. You're up underneath the big overhang at the back of the Florida room. But so this is the pile here. This is the magic. In fact, let me turn just a little bit and jump to the other side here, because this has so many lasagna layers of different things. It's got the top layers of the compost from this year. Remember, I took a foot off of the compost. It's got the remediated grass cuttings from my neighbor that may have had a little bit of poison in there. That's remediated over a year, a little over a year. Woo, it's starting to come down. Fortunately, I have a magnolia above me. We have layers of just sand. We have layers of the tomato vines from last year. We have layers of, we have layers of compost that we used this year. There was a little bit at the bottom that I raked out. You inoculate with the layers of what you've got for this year, because the current stuff, the healthy stuff, has got so many pieces of life in it, from the fungus all the way up to the worms. And so when you inoculate, you're actually putting in some of that life to get it going. And because of everything else in there, it's going to be just thrive. It's going to be this whole ecosystem of life in there that creates just healthy soil. This stuff in February or March of 2025, subscribe. It's free to subscribe so you don't miss what this looks like in 2025. I'm going to be adding to this. It's got, layers of seaweed. It's got layers of old wood chips. Some of those wood chips are almost 2 years old. It's got, it actually has a layer in there of very old compost from last year. And so it's got so much life in it that it's going to thrive, and it's going to be, I'm going to get out here. It's going to get better and better as time progresses, and there's going to be power struggles in there. It's a whole, you know, like a governmental system. One power is going to be a little stronger for a while, and it'll fade out, and another empire is going to rise up. There's just so much life in there that's going to happen over the next year that we can't even see. There's so much research out there about what these things will do. Hey, I could go on forever. I could literally ramble pointlessly forever on this. It's very exciting to me. But thank you for following along today. For those of you who have subscribed to Bowtie Life on YouTube, you are my heroes. You have helped make Bowtie Life what it is today. Bowtie, I know, I'm missing a bow tie today. It's been a weird day. The trailer is still sitting out in the driveway open, and it has sand in it. I'm gonna hope this rain, whoa, look at this rain. This is a Florida rain right here. We're going to work hard to grow our channel to the next level, and at that point, we could be able to do so much more. I'm looking down at my cue sheet to make sure I don't miss anything. I'm not normally this close. Ooh, here it comes. For those of you just finding Bowtie Life, look what I go through for you folks. It's for me too. This is truly my own personal journal. I go back and watch my videos. They remind me of things that I need to do. And a lot of times I'll play my videos in the background in the morning when I'm getting ready, and I'll stop it and I'll go take care of a 5-minute job, and I'll come back to getting ready in the morning. With my ADD brain, I've tried journaling, I've tried photography. I really hope that you can hear me right now. I've tried the little apps on the phone, but these videos really speak to my unique brain. So be sure to subscribe to Bowtie Life on YouTube so you don't miss a thing that happens in the garden as I over document. It's free to subscribe. We don't have any memberships right now. I don't know what's going to happen in the future. We're still finding our way here. Another way you can help grow the channel, and this is very important, folks, hit the thumbs up on this video if you found it helpful, informative. Share this on your social media like Facebook or other social media pages that you might have with your friends who might be just looking for inspiration to grow their own food, ways to get just the life in their garden. And we have the raised garden bed tours coming out. I'm pretty sure that by the time this video comes out, we will have already gotten the outer bed tour, which is part 2 of our monthly garden tours. Part 3 is the raised garden bed tours. So that's coming up very soon. We have so much stuff coming out in both the outer bed and the raised bed. It is May, folks. May in Florida. We're getting this beautiful stuff right here. It's exciting. We're supposed to have this on and off until about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I don't know what time it is right now. It looks to be 10 o'clock straight up, and I gotta go catch Gardener Scott's Monday 10 o'clock meeting. So be sure and don't miss that if you want to learn a lot about gardening. Hey, y'all have a blessed day.